So time now for tomorrow night's main event. 10 rounds for the vacant WBO International Super Welterweight title between Josh Kelly and Lucas Bastida. Kelly, a former GB International, of course, Rio Olympian, former Commonwealth champion. That was at welterweight, now rejuvenated at 154 pounds. Up against Lucas Bastida, undefeated at this weight and at middleweight. He's a long reigning South American champion at middleweight. So please welcome him to the scales now. From Buenos Aires, Lucas Bastida. Lucas Bastida weighs in 10 stone, 13 pounds and 4 ounces, so safely underneath that super welterweight limit. Now to the scales, your local fighter, Josh Pretty Boy Kelly. Josh Kelly weighs in 10 stone, 13 pounds and 12 ounces. So we have a contest tomorrow night for that vacant WBO International Super Welterweight title between Josh Kelly and Lucas Bastida, both of them safely making weight. That one top of the bill at the Virtu Motors Arena, live on Channel 5 tomorrow evening. Josh Kelly and Lucas Bastida, ladies and gentlemen, should be in for a good night tomorrow night. Top of the bill, 10 rounds or fewer for that WBO International Super Welterweight title. Tickets still available by Wasserman Boxing, with the box office on the night. Follow Wasserman Boxing social media channels for all details.